Today we are going to learn a new topic, that is chapter 5, Network in Graph Theory. So now we look the first part of this chapter, that is 5.1 network. So here you must know the term what is graph. A graph is interpreted as a series of dots which are either linked or not linked to one another by lines. Next, each dot is known as a vertex. Then, line joining two vertices is known as edge. And a network is a part of a graph with vertices and edge having their own characteristic. So here, this is the dot, okay, is known as a vertex. This is the line joining two dots, is known as the edge. Okay, this is the example of a simple graph. So now we look, okay, example of graph that involve networks, okay, in the wish line, okay, wish line that they use this type of graph, okay, in a land transport network, okay. In here, vertex. What is the vertex here? Is the regions, towns, cities, or certain buildings that are linked. Then the edge, the line, is the roads, highways, or the railway lines. Next example is social network. Okay, here the vertex will be the individuals, groups, or organization. And the edge is the type of relationships such as friends, colleagues, or families. So these are examples of graph that involve networks. Now we look example 1. You can refer at page 131. Based on the simple graph given, determine V. What is V? V stands for vertex, and NV. NV stands for number of vertices. So here we look vertex, okay, part A, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how you are going to write the answer? Okay, V is the set of dots of vertices. So this is the way how we write the vertices. So here, your vertices are labeled as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So you write like this. V equal, okay, use the set notation, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And NV means number of vertices, that is total vertices that you have. Total dots you have is 6. Okay, part B is E. What is E? E is the set of edge of lines linking each pair of vertices. So how you write E? E, you can write if there's a name for that line. Okay, you can just write down E1, E2, E3 until En, or in this case, okay, in this diagram, you can write 1, 2. 2, 3, the label of the line. That means from the start to the end, okay, from the name of the edge. So here, your edge, E, will be 1, 2, 1, 5, this line. Next, 2, 3, this line. 2, 4, here. 3, 4, this line. 4, 5, this line. 5, 6, this line. Okay, the name of each line. Okay, that is the set of vertex pairs. Okay, so and NE means number of edge. How many edge you have? Berapa sisi yang ada dalam graph ini? So you have total age is 7. Okay, next is sum of degrees. Okay, what is sum of degrees? The degree is the number of age that connect two vertices. The sum of degrees of a graph is twice the number of the age that is given the sum of degrees. This is the symbol for sum. Okay, sum of degrees are equal to 2e. That means 2 times e. So your e here, okay, the number of age is 7. So 2 times 7. Okay, 2 times 7, you will get 14. This is sum of degrees. Or another way, you can calculate 1 by 1. Okay, you can calculate for each vertices the degree. So here you look degree of vertex D1. Okay, this is the vertex 1. So from here we can look how many lines are coming up from this dot 1, vertex 1. So there are 2 lines, 1, another 2. Okay, 2 lines are coming out here. So that's why degree 1 is 2. Then degree for vertex 2. Okay, this dot 2. Okay, how many lines are coming out from this dot? 1, 2, and 3. So that's why your degree of vertex 2 here is 3. Then for degree for vertex 3. Okay, here got 2 lines are coming out. So the degree is 2. Then for dot 4, there are 3 lines coming out. So the degree for vertex 4 is 3. Then for 5, there are also 3 lines coming out from this dot 5. So the degree is 3. And for 6, only 1 line are coming out from this vertex. So the degree for 6 is 1. So you sum, you plus everything. 2 plus 3, 5, plus 2, 7, plus 3, 10, plus 3, 13, and plus 1, 14. So sum of degree, you will get 14. So either you can use 2 times E, 2 times 7, or you calculate 1 by 1. So now we look the second example. State the number of vertices, age, and the sum of degrees for the following simple graph. So we look graph for part A first. So number of vertices, we have total here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So number of vertices, we have 7. Okay, number of age. Okay, how many lines? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Also 7. And sum of degree is 2 times number of age. 2 times E. So 2 times 7, you have 14, the answer. Okay, for part B, number of vertices. Okay, the vertices are labeled as A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So you calculate how many vertices are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So number of vertices are 7. Then number of age. How many lines are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So number of age are 9. So sum of degree is 2 times E. 2 times 9, so we have 18. Okay, now we go to the next part. Okay, here you must know the meaning of multiple age and loops of a graph. So you can refer your textbook, page 132. Okay, what is multiple age? Multiple age is involve two vertices. For example, in this graph, you have P and T. Okay, involve two vertices, P and T. The vertices are connected by more than one edge. So here, from P to T, you can see there are two lines. Okay, one is this straight line, another one is this curved line here. So there are more than one edge connecting P and T. The sum of degree is twice the number of edge. Okay. Next, we go to loops. What is loops? You can see here at the vertex S and vertex R. Okay, so curve here. Involve one vertex. Okay, only one vertex. The edge is in the form of that an arc that starts and ends at the same vertex. Each loop adds 2 to the degree. So we look example to get a better understanding. So example 3, also at page 132. The diagram on the right shows a graph with a loop and multiple edge. State V and V is vertices and number of vertices, edge and number of edge, and sum of degrees. This is the diagram given. So we look the first one, vertices. Okay, you have P, Q, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 vertices. So you label vertices V equal to, okay, please don't forget to write the set notation. The answers should be in the form of set. P, Q, R, S, T, U. Vertices V. Number of vertices, total vertices that you have is 6. Then H. Okay, for H, okay, here, E. You have PQ. The straight line here, PQ, PU. PU, you have, this is a multiple H. So you have to write 2 times PU, another PU. Okay, PU, PU. Then QR, the straight line, then QU, then RS, RT. Okay, for the loop, how we write the loop here? Okay, it start at S and end at S. Okay, start and end at the same vertex S. So you write SS. Okay, next you have ST and TU. So this is how we write the edge. So when we calculate, got how many edge here? You have total 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So total number of edge is 10. Okay, for sum of degrees, okay, you can use 2 times 10. Okay, 2 times 10, sum of degrees, you can get straight away the answer 20, or you can calculate one by one. Okay, we look for vertex P first, degree for vertex P. Okay, degree of vertex P, okay, you have how many lines coming out? 1, 2. Multiple edge, you have 2 here. 1 and 2, and another one, this straight line. Okay, so total lines that coming out is 3. So that's why degree of vertex P is 3. Next, for degree of vertex Q. Okay, also 3 lines coming out. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, next, degree of vertex R. Okay, also 3 lines coming out. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, degree of vertex S. Okay, vertex S. Okay, you have SR here, 1 line. ST, 2. Okay, the loop here. The loop here, the degree for the loop, you have to remember, we have to calculate it as 2. So that's why degree of vertex S is 4. Okay, one is SR, one is ST, another 2 is from the loop. Okay, loop, the degree for loop is 2. Okay, then degree of vertex T is 3. 3 lines coming up. Okay, then degree of vertex U is 4. Okay, you have multiple edge, 2 lines here, then UQ, UT, so 4. Then we plus all the degrees, you will get the sum of degree is 20. So next, we look the next example, that is example 4. Draw a simple graph based on the given information. So you can refer at page 133. So this is for part A. The given is the vertex 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then the age is 1, 2, 1, 4, 1, 5, 2, 3, 2, 4, and 3, 4. So this is the answer given. Okay, here you can, the answer will be, it doesn't mean you have to follow this answer. Okay, you can have any choice of answer. For example, okay, your vertex 1 can be here. Okay, you can write here 1. Okay, your 2 can be here. Okay, then your 3, you want to write here also can. Okay, the diagram can be in any shape. Okay, doesn't mean must follow like the answer. Maybe you can write your 4 here and 5. Okay, but you must follow the uh, condition that is given. That means your vertex should be 5 vertices lah. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the line must follow the given age lah. Okay, 1, 2. So you draw 1, 2, the straight line. Please use ruler to draw 1, 2. Then you have another line is 1, 4. You can draw like this, 1, 4. Then you have 1, 5. You have 1, 5. You draw. Then you have 2, 3. You can draw like this, 2, 3. Then you have 2, 4. Then you have 3, 4. Okay, so your diagram can be different. Okay, your answer can be different. So this is another example for answer for this graph, for this part A. Next, we look part B. Okay, this is the answer given. Okay, you must have vertices P, Q, R, S, T, U. Okay, as from given. Then your age is PU. Okay, you have draw the line PU. Then PT, QT, QS, RS, RU. Your diagram can be also up to you how you draw, but you must follow the condition. Okay, you can draw like this. P. Okay, maybe your Q you want to draw up here. Okay, maybe you want to draw like this. R. Okay, maybe you want to draw your S here. Okay, T and U. You want to draw like this also can. Okay, so you have to follow. The first one is PU. Next is PT. Okay, the line must be followed. Okay, please use ruler. Then you want to draw QT. You draw QT. Then QS. Then RS. Then RU. Okay, make sure you use a ruler to draw the straight line. Okay, so it's up to you how is the diagram, but must follow the condition given in the question. Okay, next we look at the next example, example 5. Draw a graph with multiple age and loops based on the given information. So for part A, you have 4 vertices, that is P, Q, R, S. So please follow. You have 4 vertices P. Okay, the vertices, the condition must be followed. Okay, the diagram can be differ, but you must follow the condition given. So you have total 4 vertices P, Q, R, S. So you must have 4 vertices here, P, Q, R, S. Okay. Then the line PP. PP shows start with P, ends with P. So it is a loop. Okay, it is a loop here. Then PQ. PQ is this straight line, PQ. Then PS. Okay, is also this straight line. Then you have QS, QS. 2QS. That means this is the multiple H. Then you have QR, okay, QR, SR, okay, SR, then RR is the loop here. Okay, this is how we draw. Okay, your diagram can be different. You can draw up to you. Okay, maybe you draw your P here. Okay, then Q down here also can. Okay, then your R is here and S is here. Or you want to draw in form of a square also can. Okay, maybe I draw in other shape. Okay, maybe we draw in form of a square. Okay, you have P here. Then Q, R, then S. You want to draw in form of square also can. So PP. So you draw a loop. Then you have PQ. So you draw a straight line. Then PS. You draw a straight line here. Then QS. QS. So multiple H. So you draw a slightly curve here, arc, in form of arc, like this. Okay. Then QR, straight line. SR, also straight line. Okay, here's your. Then a loop for RR. Okay, it's up to you, the diagram, how you want to draw. Okay, next for part B. Okay, you have total vertices is 7. Okay, here they draw like this. So you can draw, actually up to you lah how you draw. Okay, you can have here 1, you can have here 2, okay, you can have here 3, next 4, 5, but must follow the condition given. 6 and 7. Okay, total vertices. Okay, we already put. Okay, first you put the vertices first, then you draw the line. Okay, will be easy for you. So you already write down the vertices first. Okay, all the vertices 7, then you draw the line. 1, 6. 1, 6 you have multiple H. So you draw 2 times. 1, 6, 1, 6. Okay. Okay, 1, 6. Okay, next 2, 7. Maybe you find that the 2, 7, you need to, maybe when you draw, okay, when you draw like this, you look that the diagram is not so beautiful for you. Okay, it's not that much beautiful. What you can do, okay, you can change because you're using pencil to draw, right? Okay, you can change the position of the 7. Okay, maybe what you can do, Okay, you change the position. Okay, maybe you put here 6 here. Okay, you put here 6. Okay, maybe you put here 7. So you can get here 6. 1, 6, 1, 6. Then here multiple age 2, 7. Okay, 2, 7. So multiple age. Okay, next 5, 7. 5, 7 also a multiple age. Wait, 6, 7 also. We have, okay. So, multiple age dah. Okay, you can draw like this. Okay, 5, 7, 5, 7 already. Go one by one, no need to rush. Then 3, 4, also multiple age. Okay, 3, 4. You have 2, 3, 4. 1, another 2. Then 1, 7. 1, 7. Okay, you can draw a straight line like this. Then 6, 7. Also, you can draw like this, straight line. Then 3, 7. You can draw like this, a straight line. Then 4, 7. You can draw a straight line. Okay, so okay, you want make it, maybe you want to feel that you want to make it more nice, look nice. Okay, maybe you can, what you can do, you change this 5 become down a bit. Okay, you move to down, you move here, you move a little bit down here. So your multiple age will be look, your diagram will be look more beautiful like this lah. Okay, so here this is another example lah. Okay, another example. Okay, how you can draw a graph with multiple age and loops. Okay, so it must follow the condition. Okay, all the vertices should be there and the age must follow as stated in the question. So now we look the next example, example 6, the last one. Determine whether the graph with the following degrees of vertices can be drawn. Okay, we look here, part A, you have 3, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3. So what you must do, you find the sum of these degrees given. So 3 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1 plus 3, you get total 11. When your sum of degree are in odd numbers, the graph cannot be drawn. Okay, should take note, okay, please take note that the graph cannot be drawn because the sum of degrees is odd. Okay, so please have to take note here, your sum of degrees must be even. So for part B is 2 plus 1, okay, 2, 1, 1, 3, 3, 2, the degrees given. So we find the sum of degree. 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 3 plus 3 plus 2. So now you get the sum of degree is 12, that is in even number. So your graph can be drawn. So I hope you all can understand. This is the first part of your in your network in graph theory. So we will look. You can answer self-practice 5.1a at page 134. So that's all. Thank you.